friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you're already watching this video, you already clicked this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notification on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be DIYing someone's DMs, and someone asked me to recreate the button down shirt dress dearra wore a couple weeks or months ago. So let me get this designer her proper credit. So dearra is the one who wore the dress, but Trust Dawn Style is the one who made the dress. So yeah, she's the one who made the dress and I recreated from her, but dearra was the inspiration behind me recreating her because somebody DM'd me dearra's picture. So yeah, she also has it on her Instagram if you go look. So when you get out of this video, go over to her page, show support. I think the dress is out of stock right now, but you can still follow her and wait till she restock it. So yeah, go over to her page, show support, and yeah, back to the video. Oh, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Before we even get into this video, this was a challenge. This was a challenge. That's all I'm gonna say. You want to see if I actually executed this look, this dress, stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe. Okay, this is the first white shirt I'm going to be using. As you can see, it is barely under my butt. Here's the next shirt I'm going to be using as the, I forgot to say, the white shirt is going to be used as the main little part. And this shirt is going to be used as like the little pops of color. I got a blue shirt, but I feel like pink will look better. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the main part, and this little dress thingy don't look as hard to sew, but it really do look hard to configure it. Like, I don't really know, it just look like this put a lot of stuff together. So I'm just gonna try to do that and make it look good. I'm just gonna start off by cutting below the third button, I think. Yeah, I'm only cutting the first layer all the way to the end. I'm going to cut a triangle all the way down to the right above the fourth button. And honestly, it don't really have to be even, I feel like. Next, now I'm going to cut the arms off. It's like once you cut, it's no going back. But I feel like you can't even mess this thing up. For the arms are off now. And last thing to cut on the base part is the bottom of the sleeve. Okay, so here is the shirt. Sleeve, bottom of the sleeves, and the cut. This is the base for the white shirt. Now on to the pink shirt. I'm going to keep the white shirt right here so I can see what to cut on the pink shirt. Okay, I'm going to cut the sleeves. Then I'm going to cut the sleeves again so it can be like short sleeve here. Two parts of the sleeve, and then I'm gonna cut the whole bottom off of this shirt and figure out how to do it later. You start super high, right under the armpit. Like this. So okay, so this is how the shirt kind of looks. I do not know how the back look because nobody took a picture in the back, so y'all won't know how the back look either yet. And then you turn the pink part upside down, attach it somehow, and then take the little parts and put it right under. it's actually pretty fire. So it's like a big piece covering all this your stuff, and then the small piece is like buttoned somewhere, not covering anything. Okay, and then this piece is hanging. Does that look confusing? It kind of looked like the shirt. I'm pretty sure y'all can see. I really do not know how I'm gonna do this part, but the sleeves look easy to do. So I'm gonna start off with the sleeves first. Okay, so with the arms, this is the arm and this is the white arm. I'm just gonna cut it straight. And turn this piece inside out, and this top piece, pink piece, good side facing up, and put the white piece inside of the shirt like this. Okay, so the pink shirt, the top of the arm is good side facing out, and then the white arm is inside out, and I just put it in, aligning the ends together and shit like this. And I'm just gonna sew this part and come right back to attach the rest. Here are the shirts sewed, and you just pull the part that was inside back like this. This is what it looks like. Next part of the sleeve is this part. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this good side facing up, turn this whole sleeve inside out, put this over this and align it together, and I'm just going to sew around it. And it is a little bunchy, so towards the back I would probably make a couple folds just to make this a little skinnier. Okay, unbutton the second button. I'm pretty sure every shirt has a second button. And then wrap this around the arm sleeve like this, and then put this button through this pink hole. And then take the other side and put it on the button. The same exact button. And bam, done. You can make it look all pretty, all, yeah, no sew. Okay, so the arms are done. Here is one of the arms. You cannot tell me that this does not look like the picture. Come on now. It's giving. Yeah. Now onto the body part. This is the hardest part, honestly. Like, I literally do not know what to do. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be like this. I wish I had one of the mannequin things you can pin stuff to, because that would definitely help me out right now. Okay, so I'm just going to button the second hole from the bottom to the second hole from the top, and then I'm just going to attach the ends of the pink shirt to the corners where I cut of the white shirt. And this white shirt is slightly too big, and this pink shirt is like just right, so it shouldn't be a problem. It will be a little loose in the back, but I'm going to fix that later. So I'm just going to pin this right here where it's cut at, and then sew around this part, bottom part. So the back of the pink shirt to the back of the white shirt, and then add this end to it too. I'm just going to sew the pink part first, and then worry about the white part. This is how it looked. I just pinned the back to the back of the white shirt and the sides to where I cut off the little middle part. I sew a line down the middle where the buttons are to keep the shape. Okay, it is sewed, and as you can see, it is very much baggy. Now all I'm going to do is make it tighter. So I was going to add an elastic band, but I think I'm just going to cut the back down the middle and then sew it together like this. Okay, here's the back of the shirt, and I probably should have made the white part smaller before I added all this extra stuff, but oh well. You live and you learn. Now I'm finna just cut this in half. Hopefully this works out. Honestly, I don't know. Y'all, I really don't know what I'm doing right here. How I'm going to sew this part. Like, am I gonna do like a wrap situation? No. Okay, so now that I sewed the back together to make it tighter, I cannot put it over my legs because I sewed the front. So now I'm going to just take off this front and make a way where I can button it up together. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna put a button on the white part now so it can button up instead of sewing it together. I already made my buttonhole right here. Well, where I'm gonna place it at. Then you're gonna get a buttonhole foot. Put your button here. Then just attach the foot. Okay, attach to the right spot. And then it's a lever up here. Right here, and you pull it down. I guess so the foot can know where to stop. Here's what the holes look like after you get the hole. You just seam rip it open. Okay, I'm finally on the armhole, on the arm sleeve. Now I'm sorry I cannot show y'all a better, well, give y'all a better explanation for how to do the body part, but that jump was just so freaking hard. Like, all I would recommend if you're going to make this, put it on your body and pin it and sew it anywhere. It don't matter if it's neat, it don't matter if it's messy, it really don't matter, because just put it together any way you see fit, anywhere it can cover up all your body parts. So yeah, I'm just going to take the sleeve now and turn it inside out. All I'm going to do is keep the body part facing good, so I face it up, and put the sleeve through the armhole. And align the bottom with the bottom and the top with the top. And sew around the armhole. Okay, so the body of the shirt is good side facing up. The sleeve is inside out. And I just put it through the hole. And I'm just going to sew around the hole. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did I execute? I feel like this dress was giving, like on dearra it was obviously given, but you know, y'all know dearra can wear anything and make it look good. So I was a little skeptical about how this dress would look on me and how it would look period on other people, but this is a look. Like, this is a look. If you want to recreate it or buy it from the actual people, because I'm not gonna lie, it might be worth it to just buy it, because it is just a lot to figure out how to configure it with your body. So yeah, take that advice however you want to take it. Either buy it or make it, but either way, it's dumb cute. It's a look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see me recreate something else, DM me a picture or ask me, and I might make it on my channel. So before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye.